Keyword rank tracking worked when search was 10 blue links and position 1 meant traffic. That link is breaking. In early 2026, 68% of US Google searches ended without any click, up from 60% just 2 years earlier. When an AI overview appears, organic click-through rate for the top result falls by roughly 61%. Ranking first still exists as a position on a page, but increasingly it does not exist as a result anyone sees. Rank tracking is not worthless. For transactional queries with stable blue links, position still predicts clicks and revenue. Gartner projects traditional search volume will fall 25% by 2026 as generative AI substitutes for search queries. When there is no results page, the unit worth measuring shifts to mentions, citations, and prominence. First, does the model bring the brand up at all when someone asks a relevant question? A brand never mentioned in AI answers is invisible to that channel. The real question is not where a page ranks, but whether an AI engine mentions, cites, and trusts the brand at all.